Hello, welcome to the Mind Body Lab here at the Counseling and Mental Health Center. This short video will orient you to the features of the lab and how to use the equipment. The lab provides a space for you to learn about and practice techniques that can help you cope more positively with many of life's challenges. These might include feelings of depression or anxiety, physical manifestations of stress such as insomnia and tension, and various emotional and physical problems. Research shows that physical practices such as breathing exercises can have a tremendous impact on emotional well-being. More importantly, it is our experience that many students who use these techniques report tremendous benefits. Before we go into the features of the lab, here's some practical information. Each time before you enter the lab, you should check in with the front desk. As a courtesy to other students who might be waiting to use the lab, please limit your time in the lab to 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can check with the front desk to see if other students are waiting, and if not, feel free to extend your time. Please observe silence while in the Mind Body Lab. Turn any cell phones or pagers off, and do not answer your phone while in the lab. We also ask that you do not consume food or drinks while in the lab, other than water, and that you use the hand sanitizer and earphone covers that we provide on this table by the entrance. The Mind Body Lab has a number of stations. Some have reclining chairs where you can relax and listen to the programming on our iPods. Others are outfitted with computers. Each time you come to the lab, you can choose whatever unoccupied station you like. If you're using the recliner, you can move your headrest by adjusting the Velcro on the back of the chair, like so. The recliners have a lever on the right-hand side of the chair, under the armrest. Move the lever up to change the position of your chair, and push the lever down to lock the chair into place. The Mind Body Lab experience is designed to be self-guided and self-paced, and we encourage you to approach it in that spirit. Most of the programming includes experiential exercises that you can practice here in the lab. In addition, there are several informational tracks here on the iPod that provide background on the various techniques and how they can be helpful. While certain material may seem more directly geared toward particular needs, we encourage you to sample a variety of programming to see for yourself what might be helpful. For example, breathing exercises may initially seem geared toward stress management. However, some students find them helpful for improving their mood. Most of the audio tracks are commercially available by their authors. If you find something you like and want to purchase for at-home use, the name of the author and CD are displayed on the iPod or computer as you play a given track. The devices in the Mind Body Lab can be used individually or in conjunction with each other. For example, at the front desk you may want to check out an iPod along with a GSR2 biofeedback device. That way you can measure changes in your stress response with the GSR2 while practicing relaxation exercises on the iPod. The remainder of this video is broken up into sections introducing the various components of the Mind Body Lab. Before we continue on that topic, a few last reminders. When you're finished with your lab session, please check to make sure that you have all of your belongings, including any handouts or trash that you might have accumulated. Make sure that you are fully alert and awake before getting up. Finally, before leaving, please return any equipment you borrowed to the front desk and remember to reclaim your ID. Although most people find these practices to be helpful, should you experience any physical or emotional distress, simply stop the program that you're listening to or watching. You can call our telephone counseling service at 471-CALL if you feel the need to discuss any of your reactions or emotions as a result of your experience in the Mind Body Lab. We hope you enjoy your experience in the Mind Body Lab. Please continue watching this video for a brief overview of the various devices available for use.
A wide variety of audio and video programming has been loaded onto iPods that students can check out at the reception desk before entering the lab. The accompanying menu shows the various playlists featured and includes topics such as breathing exercises, meditation, and tools for improving sleep. To access a variety of audio tracks on the iPod, go to the menu item that says Music, select Playlists, then scroll down until you see the subject area of interest. Select the subject area to see a range of tracks available that pertain to that topic. While video is currently limited, you can go to the section marked Video and scroll down to Playlists to view the selections available. Tracks marked with an asterisk are instructional and will explain the rationale or science behind these practices. Others are experiential and will guide you through the practice of various techniques. These tracks are intended for self-guided and self-paced exploration and practice. We encourage you to experiment with various tracks to get a better sense of which ones are most helpful for you. If you currently have a provider at either CMHC or UHS, you might want to ask about the contents of these tracks or for recommendations of which ones might be right for you. For more information about using the iPod and for a full list of programming, please consult the laminated one-page guide. The GSR Temp2X is one of the biofeedback devices that we offer in the Mind-Body Lab. Biofeedback, short for biological feedback, is essentially feedback from different parts of our body, such as the brain, heart, circulatory system, and muscle groups. This feedback is amplified by an instrument and displayed as visual or auditory information. This allows the individual receiving this information to understand the regulation of his or her own physiological functioning. The GSR-2 is designed to help you increase your awareness of how your body responds under different conditions, and ultimately allow you to better respond to the impact that stress has on your body. This particular biofeedback device includes a hand sensor and a visual display. You will also receive a handout and instructions when you check out the device from the front desk. The GSR-2 monitors your body's physiological level of stress by taking readings from your fingers. It measures galvanic skin resistance, which refers to changes in skin resistance caused by sweat gland activity and changes in pore size. You can monitor the decrease or increase of your stress as you are doing various relaxation exercises. This will help you learn how your body responds physiologically to these techniques. To learn more about the GSR-2, please watch the short video titled Introduction to GSR-2 for detailed information and instructions.